Hello and welcome back to Crypto Saving Expert, the show where we discuss the latest cryptocurrency news so that you stay informed in the world of Web3. Today, guys, Bitcoin is currently right below 67,000, but we've had good price action. Solana's doing well, went above 170, now around the 165 mark. But we're going to go through these, going to go through the newsletter, a few of the top news stories of today, and of course, we're going to do a live trade over on Blofin as well, guys. So let's jump straight into this. Let's take a look. Any altcoin suggestions, make sure to put them in the chat. And as always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, do all the business. Let's have a look at it here. We've got Ethereum, 2,600, not much movement. It was a little bit further down, 2% there, though. If we go onto the Ethereum chart, we were up towards 2,700 yesterday. Let's just take a look here. Let's go onto the 1 hour. Yeah, so we've come down to 2.5% from yesterday with Ethereum. Now currently at 2,600. We've got Florin in the chat. Hope you're doing well, my man. Good to see you. Let's go back to the rest. Let's have a quick look, and then we'll go through gainers, losers as well, and we will place a live trade on Solana. Solana on the 7-day looking nice, 7% there. Tron still around 15 cents. Not much movement there. But let's head over to Blofin. Let's do this live trade. Let me know if I should go long or short in the chat. We got Sammy T Crypto in the chat as well. Hope you're doing well, Sammy. I'm thinking right now, I had a little bit lower in mind, but it seems like we're going up already. I'm going to go 100 sol long, and we will have a look at Stonksy as well. Let's have a quick look at Stonksy. Stonksy is actually called a bullish signal here on the 3-minute. If we go over to the 1 minute on Stonksy, we'll see if there's any difference. Yeah, it's also called a bullish signal there. If we go onto the 15-minute on Stonksy, let's have a look here. Nothing on the 15-minute. We got Fever for the flavor. How you doing, my man? Hope you're good. Got to check Stonksy as always. We got Sammy T saying YouTube, bro. Good to see you guys. But yeah, let's take a look at the newsletter. We'll go through some analysis. We've got Bitcoin, Solana, also some top news stories, and then we'll check on the trade. I think let's have a look at the entry point on the trade, so we can keep up to date with that. So the entry average price 16625. We'll keep an eye on that. But let's head over to the newsletter which went out today. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to go make an account over at Crypto Saving Expert. You can make a free account that will subscribe you to the newsletter. If you want to join the Discord as well, guys, we do have 1 free month for community memberships, which is using the code October, which you will find in the description below, guys. So come join us in the Discord as well. Let's have a quick look here. Big shout out to Stonksy there, sponsored by Stonksy, this newsletter. But Bitcoin edges closer to a breakout. After crossing 69,000 on Sunday night, Bitcoin is positioning itself for a possible run to the highs. Bitcoin has made excellent strides over the last week and had its first test of the big overhead supply. Following the sweep of liquidity in the early hours of Tuesday, Bitcoin must build momentum towards 70,000 from here. Weakness in the price could cause Bitcoin to tumble towards the 63,000 level if the momentum is not sustained. So you can see here, look, first test in a while of the 70,000 level, but now Bitcoin needs to begin breaking through supply up at 70,000. So we've got some strong resistance around 69,000, 70,000 levels. It's going to be difficult to break through, but we are hitting it. You can see here the first test in a while. Perhaps we come up, test it again. But you can see here, after running the liquidity, this liquidity, we don't want to see it break below or drop to 62, 63K. Let's have a quick look on the weekly chart as well. So Bitcoin's weekly chart is shaping up well after the candle last week when the price broke through the downtrend. Bitcoin also recorded its highest weekly close since early June. Still, it is imperative that Bitcoin closes relatively strong this week and does not retrace last week's candle upon the Sunday close. For more upside, Bitcoin could chew through the overhead supply before coming down and setting a bear trap before full expansion occurs. This is one of many scenarios on the table from here. So look, yeah, highest weekly close since the start of June. Bitcoin must not have a weak weekly close on this candle, or it could thwart the momentum built last week. So yeah, we want to head into the trap and then break out from there. Let's have a quick look on the chat. We got Listy as well. Listy, hope you're doing well. good to see you. And Fever for the Flavors doing amazing Discord. Might as well get your free month. Exactly. Listen to Fever for the Flavor, guys. We got Block Pro. Hope you tuned in. If you didn't listen to yesterday's stream with Block Pro as well, make sure to go back through that. There's some real good advice there. We're going to be doing these weekly on Mondays as well. And if you want one-to-one tuition with a trading pro like Block Pro, pardon the pun, make sure to head over into the Discord, guys. Let's have a little further look down here. We'll mention liquidity levels. So seen on the image above, there are billions of dollars in liquidity resting above $70,000. This is one reason why it makes logical sense for Bitcoin to at least test the highs as the mammoth amount of liquidity waiting to be taken. This could be the driving force for Bitcoin's breakout, as we have seen previously when, after compression and consolidation, Bitcoin moves aggressively to the upside. Let's have a quick look at Solana here as well. Solana's looking super bullish right now. You can see, even from my analysis here, it says, Solana has arguably one of the most bullish charts in the industry. Its monthly chart is shaping up for a triple threat attack towards the highs. After over 8 months, Solana is undergoing a volatility contraction pattern inside its current range, which suggests an expansive move is on the horizon. Secondly, the chart has formed a massive cup and handle pattern, also pointing to the upside. Finally, a bull pennant is also coming to fruition, all of which point towards a rally towards $300 to $400. This analysis is even going above all-time highs. We're already looking for the $300 to $400 target here. Solana, we've had some good events recently. We've had breakpoint in September, bullish news there, and it keeps chugging away, keeps building. Does look bullish in my mind. But let me know from the top 20, what other coins, even from the top 10. What coins, tokens from the top 10 are looking attractive to you right now? For me, obviously Solana, but I do realize I probably have some bias there as well. We've got the fear and greed for today was at 70, still in the greed, but not as high as yesterday, 72. And I believe on Sunday it was 73 as well. Still up from last month, 52 neutral. So October is moving that for sure. The index score is 70 as market participants await what could be a phase of expansion for Bitcoin. However, a firm rejection under $70,000 again could see Bitcoin tumble and sentiment drop again. Some important dates coming up. We've got Thursday, S&P Global Manufacturing PMI, and also the S&P Global Services PMI. Gainers from the week, ApeCoin. We went through the article yesterday with Block Pro. ApeCoin had their Ape Fest last week in Lisbon, Portugal, when they released that they're working on Ape Chain. So that's sent the price up from below $1 to currently around $1.50. Dogecoin also doing well. Some others, Jupe there, almost 9% for the week there, just below $1. We've got Mogcoin. Mogcoin, if you don't know, it's a meme coin on ETH. Really big cult following. You see people with the shades. What they called with the pit vipers. If you see people with the pit vipers, they're probably a Mog. KuCoin, that's a bit of a random one. I'm not sure what's going on with KuCoin. I have seen more activity from them recently. But let me know is anyone trading on KuCoin, or even trading with the exchange tokens. Exchange tokens can be a bit of a difficult one. They often don't have the utility that they set out for. Solana there that we mentioned, currently around 165. If we look at the top losers, we've got Sui there. Say also not doing so well. Dog with Hat down 11%. Notcoin down 10% there as well. So let's have a look at this. Also going on Solana here. First news story of today. So Solana at a crossroads. Bull flag hints at $250, but a dip to a $100 lurks. A bull flag on the weekly Solana chart hints at a breakout to 250, but a failure could open the doors to a crash towards the $100 support. For the better part of September and October, Solana has taken a backseat as many investors and traders focus on Bitcoin. However, that may change as Solana has printed a bull flag on its weekly chart, signaling a potential rally to the 250 resistance last witnessed in November 2021, when it made an all-time high of $259. The Sol USDT weekly chart has shown that the pole of the bull flag started forming in October 2023 when Solana was around $20 and extends to the local peak of $210 in March this year, where the flag's formation begins. A confident a confident breakout above the flag could ignite a rally to $250. We mentioned on the stream yesterday with Block Pro, Bitcoin dominance is being heading up, and that range is getting tighter, and it's looking like Bitcoin dominance is going to drop. We're going to see altcoins, Ethereum, Solana, etc. We're going to see good growth there, and I think this is coming. And I think, like we can see from the chart here, as Block Pro said yesterday, charts don't lie. So it looks like a nice bull flag's coming out of this. Let's head down to the next story of today, which is around Pump Fund. So Pump Fund announces an upcoming token launch and upgraded trading terminal, Pump Advance. This makes sense for me. You know, we were talking about it in months gone past, why Pump Fund hadn't come up with their own meme coin or their own token. Perhaps they are behind a lot of these meme coins. You know, if I was Pump Fund with all the million dollars they're making, I'd probably play around with a few meme coins, but perhaps they haven't because they've been too busy. But really, how hard is it to run and control Pump Fund? The site is pretty simple. It's very basic, and they're just generating absolute revenue. I'd like to see the revenue, the volume for Pump Fund. Perhaps it's kind of tailing off as more, you know, altcoins and utility are kind of taking center stage, and perhaps meme coins, especially early launching meme coins, are perhaps taking a back seat here. But as the article says, could Pump Fund about to release the token? The team hinted at such a possibility during a recent X Space, where they also announced their upgraded trading terminal known as Pump. The team behind Pump Fund, the leading meme coin deployment platform on the Solana network, recently revealed plans for a future token launch and an upgraded trading terminal called Pump Advance. The team made the announcement during an X Spaces event on the 19th of October. However, the Pump team has yet to provide a specific timeline for the token release, leaving the community eager for further updates. So some of the key features for Pump Advance, these developments include mini charts, data on top token holders, and social indicators designed to help traders better navigate the growing number of meme coins. Additionally, Pump Advance will offer 0% fees for the first month and incorporate advanced login security measures through Privy, improving user safety. Looks like, you know, Pump Fund have already got the largest share of the market. We've seen projects and, well, platforms like Moonshot take away a little bit of that market share. You know, you've got the easy integration to Deck Screen. So perhaps this is Pump Fund's kind of way of saying, look, you know, we're not just going to leave it as the basic. We are going to work on it. We are going to advance what we're offering here. I think the token is just kind of dangling the carrot slightly. But if they could do, you know, revenue shares through the token, I think it would be quite a attractive investment. But you know, we'll see what comes of this. I'll keep my eye on this. Let me know in the Discord if you have any further information about this. I will be having a further look into this because it's an interesting one to see what Pump Fund are doing, especially with the amount of profits that they've made over the last year. Anything they do, they could probably put a lot of money behind it, and, you know, could grow to something big. This last story here, yeah, you know, Bitcoin's bull flag, which you mentioned, chart points to a new all-time high in Q4. Bitcoin's bullishness is further confirmed by its weekly MFI, MACD, and RSI, which exhibit improved buyers' strength and could result in a retest of March's all-time high of $73,777 sometimes next month, and a new all-time high before the end of the year. So we've got the elections coming up. It's saying, yeah, ETF options could fuel the rally. But yeah, that's all we have time for today with the newsletter, guys. Let's check in on the trade. We're up nicely in profit on that, $100. Let me just share that tab. We're currently at 167. I want to leave this open to around 169. Perhaps a little bit lower, 168. Let me know what you think I should do. I'm going to leave it open. I'm not going to leave it open overnight. I will close this trade before the evening ends. But guys, thanks all for tuning in. Tomorrow we will be going live. We have more short content coming as well. We have the premium AMA with that Martini guy on Thursday. So make sure to join the Discord, and I will see you there, guys. Thanks for joining. Have an amazing rest of your day. Take care. Woo!